Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth. No, yeah, the third, not the fourth. The third puzzle in this additional of Friday. Yes, Friday, April the 2nd, 2021. Actually, it's today, a Monday, the second Happy Easter Day here in the Netherlands. So we don't receive any newspaper today. So I will continue with the Friday edition, and two puzzles are left, the tectonic one and a binary one. So this one, binary puzzle, I will continue. This will be a number 2586. Yes, 86. All right, 2586. So, and what kind of puzzle is this one? Binary puzzle. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. All right. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 O's, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4, no, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. All right. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. All right. Double one, here no, there no. Here we have 4 O's. So the rest are ones. All right. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. All right. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. All right. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in the last column. So the rest are ones. All right. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I need to compare. I think I need to compare. Yeah. All right. Let me see. 1. Yeah. This row and the last row. 1, 1. 1, 1. Empty box. 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Oh, right. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Oh, right. Great binary. Only once. Comparing, yeah. One time comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And please remind you, if you like binary puzzles, I have 8 by 8, but I have also 10 by 10. Go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find there a playlist with all the binary puzzles of the past 2 years. Yes, I've started 2 years ago with solving binary puzzles, but also Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, killer Sudokus, tectonics. You can find all kind of playlists. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you will see all the playlist. Enjoy those puzzles, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today. 8 tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.